I'm reviewing Agile CRM, an all-in-one platform perfect for small to medium businesses. Links are below. It combines sales, marketing, and customer service tools, streamlining operations and boosting efficiency. Its 360-degree contact management system centralizes all customer data, letting teams track leads, manage opportunities, and monitor interactions across email, social media, and phone. The drag-and-drop deal management tool visualizes and updates your sales pipeline, prioritizing high-value opportunities. Robust marketing automation lets you create multi-step campaigns, automate follow-ups, nurture leads, and easily track customer behavior. Email marketing tools offer customizable templates, A/B testing, and detailed analytics for effective campaigns. Customer service tools include help desk ticketing, canned responses, and a knowledge base. Agile CRM integrates with apps like Google Workspace, Slack, and Shopify. Analytics and reporting track team performance, campaign results, and sales trends with customizable dashboards for data-driven decisions. While the interface might feel slightly outdated and the feature set requires a learning curve, it's excellent value, especially for budget-conscious small businesses. Agile CRM is a well-rounded solution for managing sales, marketing, and customer support. Its affordability, automation, and features make it great for growing teams. Check the links below to explore Agile CRM and see if it fits your goals. This review should help you decide if Agile CRM is right for you.